The district recently purchased conference room style webcams for classroom use. These new webcams offer features which will help make remote and hybrid learning easier for teachers and students. Right off the bat, it's clear this webcam is different than your average webcam. The camera has a built-in microphone and speaker system, as well as pan, tilt, and zoom functionality. Let's start with setting it up. Once you get everything out of the box, connect the pole to the base and the webcam to the top of the pole. Take the non-detachable cable and plug the USB end into your laptop or docking station. Next, plug the power cord into the webcam and the other end into the wall. There is an additional USB cord if you want to power the camera from your computer. Doing so will drain your computer battery, so you'll have to keep it plugged in. The cameras will be delivered along with a USB hub to ensure you can still connect any accessories required for instruction. Once you have the USB and power connected, you're good to go. No additional software is needed. You will need to change your default camera and microphone in Zoom to make sure you are using the new camera. To do so, when in a Zoom meeting, click on the up arrow next to the Start Video button and select BCC 950 Conference Cam. To change the audio, follow the same steps, but click the arrow next to the Mute button and select Echo Canceling Speakerphone BCC 950 Conference Cam for the microphone as well as the speaker. Once you're able to see what the camera is capturing, we can explore some of the features. Let's start with the sound system. Since this is designed for a conference room, both the speakers and microphone are better suited for the size of a classroom than the microphone and speakers built into your laptop. If you already have dedicated speakers you plug into your laptop, you can also use those with this camera using the audio out port on the right-hand side. The main feature of this camera is its ability to pan, tilt, and zoom to capture the subject matter. You can control this both with the buttons on the base of the device, as well as the remote. If you find that your students cannot clearly see what you are presenting, you can zoom in for enhanced clarity. You can then zoom out and pan to your students for any questions. The remote also features call and end call buttons, but these do not currently work with Zoom or Google Meet.